Is Blockster.gg really a free Roblox goldmine, or is it just another clickbait scam preying on Roblox players? Let's break down the facts, the warning signs, and whether it's safe to trust. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Blockster.gg claims to offer free Robux in exchange for completing tasks like downloading apps or filling out surveys. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's because it probably is. There is no official Roblox partnership, and the whole site feels like classic get free Robux paid. According to Trustpilot, it currently has only one review and it's negative. That's not exactly a great look. On top of that, multiple cybersecurity sources flag it as a possible phishing or data farming site. Basically, you give them time and personal info and get nothing in return. For the final verdict, Blockster.gg shows all the signs of being a typical Roblox scam. One review, no transparency, and no proof of payout. Our advice, stay away, protect your account, and stick with legit Roblox options. Tried it yourself? Got scammed or somehow made it work? Drop your experience in the comments, and if you want more honest reviews like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.